Good morning, Land Rover fans. It's with a heavy heart that I say this will be the last Land Rover video that I make with Elsa. I've sold her and she is moving to the Midwest. So it's really been a pleasure making these videos, and I appreciate your watching them. And I hope some of these simple little fixes have been helpful. So I'm a little bit sad today. I actually have to take off the license plates now and turn over Elsa to her new owner, who will be arriving here shortly. So once again, I thank all my Land Rover fans for following the story of El Segundo, otherwise known as Elsa, and shortly I'll be turning over those keys. So thank you again. Using an Allen wrench for these license plate screws. Can't help myself, but I have to tell you what I'm doing. This is a ratcheting driver, which is very helpful. Otherwise, it's a killer on the wrist. Taking the gloves off. These are stainless steel screws, by the way, because one thing I really hate to see on a license plate frame is I hate to see those rust marks dripping down your license plate. Not good. So these are stainless, and they've been really helpful. They've held up nicely. Oops. Fell on the ice. We've got a lot of ice today. There was an ice storm last night, and everything was covered. But of course, I've always kept Elsa in the garage since we moved here, so our cars were covered. But Elsa started right up this morning. It's about 29, 30 degrees here. That was the moment when the license plate came off. So I now ceremoniously remove El Segundo, and Elsa will be moving to her new home. I won't bore you while I remove the rear license plate, but I just thought I should make a video of this. So thank you for watching that and sharing with me my emotional, as they say in Brazil, saudade. So I'm now introducing Doug and Steve Hill, the new owners of Elsa, and I'm handing over the keys. This is the official key handing over ceremony to the new owners. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah,
we'll do a fist bump,
there we go,
okay?
yeah.
And, license plate is gone. Elsa's warming up, ready to make her last ride in Ashland, Virginia. That ride will be down a few feet onto the trailer, which will take her to her new home in the Midwest. They're clearing the ice off the trailer, getting a gentle icy rain, freezing rain coming down now. That's it.
Right now?
She's on the trailer.
You're doing a good job, though, just so you know.
Well, thank you. Plus, you're the manager.
Yeah, real professional.
I wasn't able to cross the trees at the
Okay.
Good use for those zip ties, I thought. Okay, guys. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Really appreciate it.
All right, drive safely.
Excited, we will. Let you know how it goes.
All right. And so ends the saga of Elsa Gundo, my second Land Rover, going to her new home in the Midwest.